Hey guys, I just got some more packs, so I'm gonna, just a little opening, it's not much, but this will just be another compilation, so there'll be more packs. I just got like, it's not much at all really, but we'll just see if we get anything for once. Because ever since I've started YouTube videos, well, this will be only my third one, I haven't really got anything good, but I really haven't opened many packs either, so, oh, this is the one I'm hoping for something good out of. Maybe. Oh, it's a Johnny Bench. Solid. Um, we'll just put him here. Put these guys in there too. I think I have 4 vintage right now. Wait, a 5 actually. But we'll try this just to see anything. Oh my, we actually get a shuffle for once. Wow. That's actually kind of funny because I haven't got a shuffle with 5 silvers in a while. It's just kind of nice to see that you can still get stuff with just 5 silvers. Okay guys, I think that's going to be it for this part. I'll see you in the next part of the video. Second part of the video here. I got stuff to open up before I open up the other packs. And I can do a vintage combo today. So I'll do that because I got enough stars from club and everything. I just got these normals to get rid of first. I'm still very stuffed up today, sorry guys. Um, hmm. Anything good today, because that'd be, if I don't get anything good today, that'd be the third straight day with nothing good, which is a pretty long time for me. Hopefully something good today. Hopefully something good. I hate when it lags, but that's probably just my internet. I hope I get a diamond out of the vintage, because I've never actually gotten a diamond vintage. So it'd be a nice thing to get, you know? Sorry, guys. Just do that, and then boom, boom, boom. I just want to get these to silver before I open up all the other packs. No, no silvers out of them by the look of it. No silvers out of those. Pack time. We have a few packs. Not many. No golds. Oh, I thought I saw one. No, none. Oh, Steven Wright, that can upgrade mine. No golds today. This kind of sucks. The silvers. Nothing. Oh yeah, I actually got a gold for once. And then 3 gold packs. I don't usually do that. I like to just be surprised when I open them instead, you know? I think I'll do the vintage combo first. So I'll unlock them. Load, load, load. It's very slow. Okay. got 2 golds and a silver, so hopefully that at least gives me a gold back. This Acorn, I think that's how you say it, Acorn. He's a very solid reliever. It's just, I'd rather get a combo out of it instead of keeping him for maybe grade increasing him one day. Because I'm not much of a buyer for grade increases. But anyways, here we go. Ooh, at least I got a gold back. That's pretty solid, George Bell. Nice. I won't keep or anything, but it's just nice to see. Where'd he go? Well, I'm in pictures. I'm stupid. It's actually a very crappy one. And then, wait, before we do that, sorry guys, I'm just gonna go this. I'll have a whole bunch of upgrades. I probably won't upgrade the other guys because I won't keep them, but I'll definitely keep this rate for a while. I just want a few diamonds in the shuffles today, you know? That'd be sick. But if we don't, we don't, you know? Whatever. We'll see. We will see here in a minute. Okay. So I think we'll do one like this. No, okay, we're doing just the rest of them. We're gonna go like this. But first we're gonna do this. See if we get a... Okay. So we're just gonna go boom, boom, boom. Yeah, we'll throw that in, I guess. Diamond. It's not a good one, but we just get them. I hope I get them here. Darn it. Well, guys, this can be it for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.